Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a
Hey guys, what's up? It's Giselle and welcome back to another video on my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because it's an introduction to a new series on my channel called Digital DIYs, and it's totally inspired by you guys based off the feedback from my last video, which was Instagram hacks that you need to know. And if you missed that video, it'll be linked up here as well as down below. And you guys left me a bunch of fire down in the comments on that video, which means you guys wanted to see a tutorial on how I do my highlight covers for my Instagram stories, and that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to be sharing that with you guys. In today's video, I'll be sharing how to do the highlight covers on Picmonkey, just because it's super easy to use and it's free and really accessible. So I thought for today's video, I would share how to make highlight covers using Picmonkey. Before we get into it, be sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss any videos like this one. Extra points if you have the little notification bell turned on so it just notifies you whenever I upload a video. Huge shout out to Mariciela Hernandez for having hers on. Thank you girl so much. And follow me on my socials if you would like to. I recently made my Snapchat public so you guys can send me questions because I will be doing a Q&A soon. That's all for my intro, so let's just get into the video. Alright guys, so you want to go ahead and go onto picmonkey.com on a computer or laptop. Then at the top you can see the design icon, so you want to choose that. And then under that, click custom size and enter the exact dimensions of the Instagram story, which is the dimensions I have here on the screen. And then the canvas should be the exact same size that you want, and you can adjust the colors to be whatever background color you want. Literally, you can choose from a bunch of colors. You want to hit apply once you found your color, and then you want to hit the little butterfly icon. This is the first method I want to show you guys, is just to use the actual overlays and doodles that Picmonkey has already. And you just select one you like, and then you can just size it and put it in the center of your canvas to look like this. And then you can play with the other doodles that they have in the overlay section of their website. And then you can go ahead and use a color scale to change the color if you'd like to. Also, if you want to add a title into your highlight cover, you can go ahead and just add text to that and then change the color and even change the fonts, which is pretty cool. Picmonkey makes it super easy that you can just customize your highlight covers to however look you want them to look like, because you can change the color to anything, the font to anything, and you can basically use any graphic because Picmonkey has a lot to choose from. For the second method, you can go into Google and type in PNGs for the category icons that you want. So if you want something beauty related for your beauty category, just type in lipstick icon or silhouette, and then it should pop up. And then you want to save that image and then import it into Picmonkey. And then the image should show up just like this without a background, since it was a PNG. And then if you go ahead and search Instagram highlight covers in Google Images, you can see a bunch of different inspiration and ideas of different categories you could choose from, like health, wellness, YouTube videos, photography, recipes, basically any category you want to put as your highlight reel, they probably have it as an icon. And then you want to make sure it's also a PNG so you can import that without a background easily onto Picmonkey. And then also what's great about Picmonkey is that if you import a PNG, you could also change the color of it using the color scale. And this is kind of sounding like it's a sponsorship from Picmonkey, which it's not, but I would be totally down if they wanted to sponsor me. But yeah, this is just a really easy way to make and edit a Instagram highlight cover. And then to get it onto my phone, I use Dropbox because I do have the app on my phone as well, but you can definitely email yourself if you don't have Dropbox or aren't familiar with it, but it's super easy and free to use as well. And then I just open up Dropbox onto my phone and then import the photo that I just created on Picmonkey onto my phone. You want to select save to your device and then click save again, and then open up your Instagram stories from the top left corner and then import that photo you just created. And then you want to click send to, which will upload the photo and then add it to your story. And it's super easy. Once it's uploaded, you want to hit that little highlight button right at the bottom corner there and then make a new cover and then type in the title that you want your category to be named as, and then there you go. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying to the very end of this video. If you liked it, please do give it a like, hit the notification bell, subscribe so you don't miss any videos like this one. Let me know down below if other digital DIYs you guys are interested in, and I'll be happy to do them. And yeah, I think that's all for my outro. Like I always say before I go, there's so much negativity in the world, so be sure to only spread positivity down in the comments and of course wherever you go, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now. Yeah.